Okay, student. Now we will solve question number 5. Question 5 is verify that minus of minus x is the same as x for part first. X is equal to 13 upon 41. Part second is x is equal to minus 21 upon 31, and third part is x is equal to 11 upon 15, and fourth one is minus of 13 upon 17. Okay, we will solve one by one. Solution. Part first, we have to verify that minus of minus x is the same as x for the value of x is equal to 13 upon 41. Okay, minus of minus x is equal to solve this question, we have to solve first minus of minus x. Put the value of x in this expression. Minus bracket minus of value of x is here 13 upon 41. That will be equal to minus of minus, it means plus 13 upon 41, and 13 upon 41 is equal to x. 13 upon 41 is equal to x. Here we can say that minus of minus x is same as x, and it is solved. Now come to the second part. Minus of minus x is equal to this minus bracket this minus and value of x. For question number second, value of x is minus of 21 upon 31. We can put it with curly bracket and small bracket, minus 21 upon 31 bracket close, curly bracket close. Okay, here minus, this minus, and this minus is this, and x is minus 21 upon 31. Now solve this. Minus into minus plus, it means answer will be minus 21 upon 31. Plus minus minus. Here we can say that minus of x is same as x. In question part second, x is equal to minus 21 upon 31. Here 21 minus 21 upon 31. This is equal to x. It is solved. Now come to the question third. We will solve minus of minus x is equal to, put this minus bracket this minus and the value of x for question number third. Here value of x is 11 upon 15, and solve this expression. When you solve it, you will get minus into minus is plus 11 upon 15, and 11 upon 15 is again is equal to x as part third. It is solved. Now solve question number fourth part. Minus of minus x is equal to this minus and value of x is okay. Now come to the solution of fourth part. Fourth part here is minus of 13 upon 70. Minus 13 upon 70. X is equal to minus 13 upon 70. Okay. Here we have to solve this expression. Minus of minus x is equal to this minus, curly bracket, this minus, and the value of x is minus of minus 13 upon 70, curly bracket close. When we solve this, minus minus plus and plus minus minus, minus 13 upon 70, and minus 13 upon 70 is equal to x. This is equal to x. Here we can say that minus of minus x is same as x. Now we will solve question number 6. What is question number 6? Simplify each of the following using distributive property. Okay. Question number 6. Simplify each of the following. Question 6 is simplify each of the following using distributive property. Using distributive property. Part first is 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 bracket close plus 1 upon 2 into 6 bracket close. Part second is 1 upon 5 into 2 upon 15 bracket close minus of bracket 1 upon 5 into 2 upon 5 bracket close, and third is minus of 3 upon 5 into bracket 3 upon 7 plus minus of 5 upon 6 bracket close. Now we will solve this question one by one. Solution. Part first. Part first is bracket 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 bracket close plus 1 upon 2 into 6 bracket close. This will be equal to, here we can say that in both parts, this part and this part, we can see that 1 upon 2 is common. Take 1 upon 2 outside of the bracket. If we take 1 upon 2 outside of the bracket, 1 upon 2 into, this will be equal to 1 upon 2 plus 6 bracket close. Because of distributive property, we have already discussed distributive property of multiplication or addition is equal to this multiplied by this plus this multiplied by this. This is equal to this. Now you can solve it easily. Is equal to 1 upon 2 add 1 upon 2 plus 6 upon 1. This will be equal to 13 upon 2. If you take 2 LCM, this will give you here. If we solve this, you will get 1 upon 2 into 13 upon 2. This will be equal to 13 upon 4. Part second part is 1 upon 5 into 2 upon 15 bracket close minus 1 upon 5 bracket into 2 upon 5 bracket close. This will be equal to, here we can see that 1 upon 5 is common in both the numbers. Therefore, we can take out 1 upon 5. Now, 2 upon 15 minus 2 upon 5. Okay. Now you can solve this. 1 upon 5 into, subtract this. Take LCM as 15. This will be equal to 2 minus 6 bracket close. This will be equal to 1 upon 5 into minus of 4 upon 15. This will be equal to minus 4 upon 15, 5, 75. This is the answer. And last, third one is minus 3 upon 5 into bracket 3 upon 7 plus of minus 5 upon 6. Using distributive property, we can solve it. You can multiply it. Minus 3 upon 5 into 3 upon 7 plus minus 3 upon 5 into minus 5 upon 6. This will be equal to minus 9 upon 35 plus 15 upon 30. 15 1 is 15, 15 2 is 30, 3 okay, sorry. Minus 9 upon 35 plus 1 upon 2. This will be equal to 35 is LCM. This is 35 minus 9 plus LCM will be 70 minus 18 plus 35. This will be equal to 17 upon 70 is answer. Now, this type of expression you can solve by using the distributive property. After this, we will discuss question number 7. Question 7 is write part first The rational number that does not have a reciprocal. The rational number that does not have a reciprocal. Second one is the rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals. Rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocal. Third one is the rational number that is equal to its negative. The rational number that is equal to its negative. Solution first. The rational number that does not. Now we will solve these questions. Part first is the rational number that does not have a reciprocal. Answer is 0. Solution first 0. Second part is the rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals are, answer are 1 and -1. Third number is the rational number that is equal to its negative. Answer is 0. You can verify these three answers by taking an example. The rational number that does not have a reciprocal. If answer is 0, 0 is also a rational number and its reciprocal is Part first is rational number that does not have a reciprocal. Answer is 0, as you have already noted in the theoretical part that 0 does not have a rational number, because if we take rational number reciprocal of 0, reciprocal of 0 is 1 upon 0, that is undefined. That is undefined. It means 0 does not have its reciprocal. Now come to the question number second, the rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals. We can see here, if the reciprocal of 1, reciprocal of 1 is 1 and reciprocal of -1 is -1. The reciprocal that are equal to their reciprocal. In this way we can say that 1 and -1 has its reciprocal as 1 and -1. Now come to the question number third, that is the rational number that is equal to its negative. 0 is the only rational number that is equal to its negative. We have already studied in the theoretical part. Now come to the question number 8. Question number 8. Question number 8 is fill in the blanks. You will Okay, student. Question number 8. You can solve yourself and try it. If you have any problem, you can ask me. And 9 is also you can solve. In question number 9, property is used. Now come to the question number 10. And find the product of 3 upon 5 and the reciprocal of minus 4 upon 9. Question 10 is find the product of Find the product of 3 upon 5 and the reciprocal of minus 4 upon 9. Here question is this. Solve. Okay, students, here question is find the product of 3 upon 5 and the reciprocal of 4 upon 9. Let us solve it. 3 upon 5 into reciprocal of minus 4 upon 9 is minus 9 upon 4. Solve it. 9 3 is 27. Minus of 27 upon 5 4 is 20. Is the answer. Now come to the question number 11. Here you can solve this. Find the product of 3 upon 5. Here 3 upon 5 and multiplied by the reciprocal of 4 upon minus 4 upon 9 or minus 4 upon question number 11. Question 11 is divide the reciprocal of reciprocal of 1 upon 5 by minus 1 upon 5 and find the quotient. And quotient. Now solve this question. Divide the reciprocal of this by this. Okay, solution. Reciprocal of 1 upon 5. Reciprocal of 1 upon 5 is 5 upon 1. Divide the reciprocal of 1 upon 5 means 5 upon 1. Divide the reciprocal of 1 upon 5 by this. By minus 1 upon 5 and find the quotient. This will be equal to 5 upon 1 multiplied by 5 upon minus 1. This will give you 25 upon minus 1 and this will be equal to minus of 25 is the quotient and it is the answer. Now come to the question number 12. Question number 12. Question 12 is part first is 8 upon 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 whole 1 upon 8. Question mark. Why or why not? Why not? Now solve this question. Okay. Solution. Reciprocal of minus 1 whole 1 upon 8 is minus 8 upon 9. And the product of minus 9 upon 8 and upon 9 is equal to minus 1. That is not equal to 1. That is not equal to 1. It means 8 upon 9 the multiplicative. It means 8 upon 9 is not the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 whole 1 upon 8. Now come to the part second. Part second is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 3 whole 1 upon 3. Question mark. Why or why not? Okay. Solution. Do yourself.